I wasn't really expecting to make a part 2, but I am going to keep playing with this. And in order to not lose any of the wonderful spontaneous things I decide to do, I'm going to make a recording of it. Because I'm thinking that this is just the beginning, right here. I can still paint. Just learning how a copious amount of this will work. I think. I want some orange over there. Not coming out very easily. Just anywhere that I see that I need something. I kind of like to feel comfortable enough to get down and get busy just putting all kinds of little dabs here and there, but I haven't done this for a while, so it might be a couple more practice runs before I'm willing to do that. Although it does get to a certain point where you start to feel comfortable, or at least I do. And I really do like to add some texture by digging my spatula in. Yeah, I like that. I'm thinking this over here needs something. Ooh, I want to try the Cerulean blue with that. And some black cell activator. Sorry, I'm not very talkative. I'm very focused. I would prefer to be getting on with this and be happy with what I see everywhere. I think I need to make it simpler. Restrain myself to some colors. Oh, I like this in here though. And I like adding the little lines. Very much, in fact. That's cell activator. Question is, will it activate anything? I don't think so. So it just basically worked as a dark color. Just like that schmutz I just put back in there is going to work like a dark color. I want some golden here and something bright over here. And I still haven't done anything with this. And I have little tiny tools somewhere. A little cell activator. kind of want some white in there. You watch, I'll use up all my time. Don't want to make mud. But I do like some of the really cool celly areas that I've got. I'm not sure that this is one of them. Where's that carnation? Feeling like I really want something like dark water over here, but I think I've got it here. So maybe something brighter. Maybe the blue bonnet. And some white cell activator on a card. Oh, I've got colors left. Where can they go? Maybe not my best choice. Alright, I said I was going to do some white. And maybe some gold too. I needed a lighter area. And I love what the card does. I forget that. Especially now because it's pulling up some of the color from underneath because it's a little bit at that gloppy stage. It'll be pretty. Can't help it, it's Prizm pores. This is so bugging me here, I can't tell you. I don't know what the deal is. Cross your fingers I don't ruin it. There's no doubt it's going to be busy, that's for sure. This is bugging me. It was the most interesting bunch of cells. It's called Finding Out the Hard Way. It's basically becoming mark making, which is okay because I don't think it was working as the best geometric in the world. And if I don't quit, it might still be completely ruined. if I believed that, I would stop. Maybe I will have discovered some color combinations that I really like. I do feel like dragging a spatula down right through all of it. And I think I'm going to be happier with that than I am with anything else. It's going to be a lot like a plaid. Can't leave any little gaps. Might be better off to wipe off my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula at some point in time. I always think canvases are primed. If I decide that I want to leave some white from the primed canvas behind, it shouldn't be an issue. I always wanted to do this. Guess what? Now I am. I'm not trying really hard to make them all the same size, but they're close. I'm imagining that my lines are going to be my unifying factor. That and the fact that the colors are going to be amazing. Still haven't wiped it off. I think I will. I could go in there with some black and black out some squares. That might be kind of cool. Or I could just be happy with what I've got, which is also pretty cool. Hey, I must miss that. Well, that's that. And it's different. And I won't know how I really feel about it until it's dry tomorrow. It occurs to me I could call it Behind Bars, but that's kind of a morbid name. It is growing on me. There, you know what? I give myself permission to do a few more. Before it gets so gloppy it pulls all the paint off. Well, that's kind of neat. I think I want one more little piece of orange right there. There's that black I threatened. I did get a few cells. And that's it. I'm calling it. I don't know what I'm calling it yet. Stage 1 done for now, or just done entirely? So let me get my camera down, my phone down, give you guys a show of sparkle. There's something to be said for getting used to the painting. Let me turn off, if I can find my light switch. There we go. That's going to be really neat, I'm pretty sure. And like I said, it could be a stage 1. It's got pretty much all the colors of the rainbow except for light green. Alright, so I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Give me a thumbs up. Share my videos if you feel like it. I would appreciate all the help you can get. Thank you for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. And when you watch longer, that helps me out too. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. Don't forget, there is a monthly drawing. Should you happen to be interested in... Why did you shut off? Come on back. There we go. I had something in mind. A little bit of canvas I wanted gone. Right there and right there. Do it while it's wet. Alright. Bye for now. That one's got to go. Priscilla out. Oh, no I'm not. Not yet. There we go. That's not bad from up here. It's kind of different. We'll see what it looks like dry tomorrow. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Bye for now. Priscilla out. See you anon.